Let me
Alright,
drop, bro, cause you
alright,
talking loud, bro. I don't want no smoke, bro.
alright. You still living out your car?
You still sleeping on the floor?
Hey, hey, I got a bed right here, nigga. Believe that. You
That bitch
better
on the floor,
believe
ain't it?
I ain't sleeping
Man,
on
that's
no
two
floor.
mattresses on the floor, nigga. Shut up.
Hey, hey, you better believe I ain't sleeping on no floor. My Pico money won't allow me to sleep on the floor. Believe that.
Oh, okay, okay. Get them ends then, boy.
Hey, get that money. Get that money. And when you gonna come bring me my tabs and bike, I need that. Your
Hey,
ass blocked me, but I need all that.
Tonyo,
What's up?
right? Ebony said you burnt her for some. You the only motherfucker on here that burnt her for some beans. Talking about she owed you. She said she just paid you because she
Oh
was tired of
yeah.
your broke ass hounding her about it.
Hey, hey, you know why? Ebony made me miss my quarter by 4,000 beans, and we had an agreement that she was gonna pay me that night, but she ain't paid me that night. So damn right, I got on her ass. Damn right. If somebody owe you some money, you ain't gonna check that shit for being for shield that $80. Yeah, I give a motherfucker $80 in real life, motherfucker. I want that shit,
How
right?
much, how much you paid to get
And
your hair done?
you ain't gonna pay me $79. You gotta pay me the whole 80.
How much they be charging you to twist your hair down there, bro?
Huh?
How much they be charging you to twist your hair down
I
there?
don't get my hair done.
Oh,
I don't get my hair done, but why you worry about another man's hair?
bro, I was just
That
asking,
that
bro.
kind of homophobic.
Oh man,
That
bro.
kind of
First,
homophobic,
that
Demo.
don't make, bro. What
You
is that?
can't take away from
Did
me.
you hear what this man just said, bro?
I
Did
ain't
you just hear
hater.
what he just said, bro?
But
This man just said, "Why are you worried about another man's hair?" That's kind of homophobic. Man, I'm
that
finna go,
girl, good
man.
looking big bro.
Let me
Hello.
see.
What's the word, gang? I'm chilling. You caught me off guard, man. You caught me
What
off guard. Man.
what you sipping on, fam?
You caught me off guard. My boy, come here.
What you
Come here.
sipping on, my boy?
Off guard. Hell no. He just caught me off
Yep,
guard.
all that.
My boy, come here. You got business, right? Come here.
Man, what's going
Come
on
here.
here, man? Is Doctor Doolittle?
Boy. That's a boy. Good boy.
What you got on a neck brace? Oh, that's a man. Weird. They just kicked him out.
Oh, so
Oh my
listen,
god.
hey, your bitch Ashley went live from church this morning, right? After she did that, she had a panel with what was that nigga name? Somebody against the world. And she just let everybody was just Jay and the nigga Precious. It was Precious, Ashley, Lieutenant, whoever that nigga name was, he was a gay dude. I said, this bitch, I'm talking about went right back to the same Ashley the same day, soon as she left church, just like a normal Christian, I promise you.
I heard it was like I heard this morning say, "Y'all pick a name, I'm gonna read them." And one reading the fuck that early this morning. Pick a name, I'm gonna read them.
No,
Y'all drop a
somebody.
name in the comments. Oh, then they said that Abby and Jdub broke up. I
What?
didn't know that. Then they said they broke up. He's sleeping in the car.
Again?
Somebody said that he sees. She said because she was mad that. Listen, I was in a panel, right,
No.
and the chick that was in the panel I guess somebody was talking to me, but I didn't know who it was. So the chick was like, "Don't be talking to him like that, or whatever, whatever. Why you talking to Demo like that?" She's like, "Fuck you, your mama, you da 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 da." So all in all, come back to the girl. She said Abby and J Dub broke up, and Abby was mad about it. So J Dub went and bought a car, used her to buy a car, and just left her. I don't know how true that is though, but the girl and her family.
Say that one more time.
They said J Dub, that be mad because she feel like J Dub used her because he bought his car and just left her.
He bought a car?
That's what they told me. That's what she told me. The girl told me that Abby told her that J Dub bought a car and just left her.
What kind of car he bought? With that temp service ass chick?
I don't know.
Alright, let's guess then. Fuck it.
Shit, what you think?
Let's guess what year.
92.
Man.
92.
I'm gonna say like a 97.
You gonna go 97?
97.
So let's say 94. Let's say 94.
97.
Oh, we have to say. Oh no. Okay, 97. I was gonna say 96 because you know him. So we'll say 96.
No, I'm gonna say foreign or American.
I'm a foreign. He had to go foreign because he had a foreign already. So J Dub want to stunt.
I'm gonna say American because he gonna just say like, you know what, them foreign vehicles, they cost a lot. They high maintenance. So what I did
Yeah.
is I got me something that I know I can get back and forth from A to B. So when my big money come in, my lump, my taxes and all that come in, bada boom, bada bing.
Yeah, that's him. That's him, bro. That's him. Oh God. So okay, so you gonna say American? So where you gonna go with? Kia, Honda.
I said American, nigga.
What is that, like Ford? I don't know. Shit, fuck. American, like okay, this is all America. This is all I've seen in America. Shit.
Dodge, Ford, Chevy,
Dodge, Ford, Chevy. I'm
Cadillac,
gonna go Passat. What's a Passat? That's what I would think he would have got a Passat.
Volkswagen.